Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today I have a quick tutorial for you guys. And have you ever wondered how to make a harsh white light softer? I have these LED lights that I just got from Amazon. They're actually quite nice with a magnetic back that you can stick to different metal parts, you know, your everyday life, your fridge, computer case you want to work around, or something else, or just have them as a background light, which my purpose for these lights were for creating some more of a moody light. But they're too bright. As you can see, they're pretty nice. I absolutely love the light they deliver. They are between 62 and 6500 K light, so it's like a daylight, and this is too harsh. I feel, you know, if you try to illuminate your face, it's going to be too white, too overexposed. So I'm going to try to have them toned down a little bit, make them a little bit softer. And obviously these are pretty cheap, for around $15 to $17 whenever they are on sale. You can grab them and DYI yourself, make them softer, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. Right? So let me show you what we can do with these Eager LED lights, 62 to 65K daylight with motion sensor. By the way, if you want to stick them like in your closet and activate the motion sensor, you can walk in and it triggers and lights up and everything. But in my purpose, I wanted to use them in the studio to provide some background lighting or kind of side lighting to control the lighting a little bit better. So I wanted them to be a little bit softer. So let me get you closer and show you how easily we can make these lights softer. All right, let's go. Don't mind my princess outfit stickers here. As you can see, magnets, they work perfectly well. Turn them on, they illuminate, so stick them anywhere or have them on your motion detecting sensor, so when you pass they get triggered and they light up. But we want to tone them down, right? We don't want them super bright. They are extremely bright for our purposes, so let's get into it. All right, so the three simple things we're going to be using for that DIY is Scotch tape, scissors, and simple cooking pergamon paper. So all you need to do is cut enough long piece that you can wrap around the face of the LEDs, which is super easy with some sharp scissors. You go straight, get one piece, and I'm gonna cut another one for the other one. Get a second piece. And we're done with the paper. From this point, we're done with the scissors as well. All we need is the two pieces of paper and the Scotch tape. Now you see how naturally this paper is curving because it's in the roll inside the packaging. So this is going to help us a lot. Also helps if you already prepared several pieces from the Scotch tape, kind of put them on the side of the table or whatever area you have to use. You don't need more than probably 4, maximum of 6. So all you need to do after that is just take the paper, stick one side of the Scotch tape on it. We'll do another one on this side, maybe in the middle, and one at the end. So now that we have the Scotch tape on one side of the paper, we can get it and stick it to the back side of the LED light. Nice and neat, and then repeat the same process with the other side of the paper to kind of make a little nice curve around it. The other pieces from the Scotch tape on the paper, we can turn it around, stick it to the back side of the LED light again. Easy as that, and once you flip it, you have a nice little curve over the LED light. You still have access to the buttons, so once you turn the buttons on, you see now the light is a lot softer compared to the other one without the paper, which here's the comparison. You definitely have a lot softer light, disperses more equally, and it's not as harsh, so you can definitely use it as a lighting in your video shoots. Alright guys, easy as that with just a few things. As you can see, scotch tape, the scissors, and some of those papers. You can soft up this bright LED lights, make them a little bit more tolerable and usable in your shootings without having to overexpose too much of your background or your face or whatever you're trying to use them. Very nice, easy and cheap DIY you can use. So let's get on to the summary. Oh, and just to mention, you can still use them in the fridge. Stick them up, see, a little bit softer, much nicer light. Is the light softer? Yes, absolutely. As you can see, this light is much softer than it was before. You can really use it now in the different purposes around your studio. Much better than this super bright and harsh light. As you can see, there is the difference between both of them side by side, much more uniform and softer light on the one that we covered. Easy, super easy DIY with almost no money. You can turn them into this usable, super nice LED lights. I just like playing with these lights. Yeah, that's about it guys. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Check out any of my other videos. Support me. You're gonna see the links to these LED lights below the video. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Buy me a coffee, I guess, if you want to. If not, that's fine. Stay tuned to the channel. I have a tons more videos coming up. A lot of hardware my way. So I'm sure you guys are gonna like a lot of those. Till next time.